So it's the morning after the blizzard of 2016, and we're out taking pictures of the snow. Here's the view from my kitchen door in the beautiful Shenandoah Valley of Virginia. Our bench is completely covered up. Of course, here's the path that we dug so that we could measure the snow. Johnny is a weather spotter for the National Weather Center. And of course, every bird lover has to have paths to the bird feeders, and we are no exception. Here's our path that we dug so that we could replenish the bird feeders. The woods are absolutely beautiful. The total amount we got was 24 inches, which is considerably less than areas not far from us. This is the walk that I kept shoveled out every few hours, but the path to the barn was done by the snowblower, courtesy of my husband. And here he is taking pictures with the good camera. But the sky is just gorgeous. And the white snow on the branches is like an artist's brush. The snow on the roof is already beginning to melt and slide off. Every single gutter is covered with icicles. I'm going to try to zoom in here with the bird feeder because there are birds on it. They fly back and forth from the apple tree. I enjoy the little hoodoo formations on top of the fence post around the swimming pool.